Welcome to the O'Connor Elder Law channel. I'm your host, Melissa O'Connor. I'm a Florida-based elder law attorney who does estate planning, focusing on long-term care needs, and I do probate, and I do it well. Today I wanted to talk to you about how to use a qualified income trust, also referred to as a Miller trust. And these trusts are used for people who seek to qualify for Medicaid but are otherwise over income. To qualify for Medicaid in Florida, the applicant can only receive income in the amount of $2,523 as of 2022. And so if between their pension and their Social Security, their income is more than that, then we can use a qualified income trust to place the excess income in so that way they can still qualify for Medicaid. So for example, if the Medicaid applicant had an income of $2,550 a month between their Social Security and their pension, that extra $27 a month can be placed in this QUIT or this qualified income trust. So therefore they are no longer over income. There are some catches with this QUIT. Part of the terms of the trust is that any money left in it at the time of the Medicaid applicant's passing will go to the Medicaid office to reimburse for medical expenses paid on their behalf. And also, it counts towards the asset limit. So Medicaid applicants are also capped at the amount of assets that they're allowed to have. So any money in that account is counted towards that asset limit. So you also want to spend the money in the account. And the money can only be spent on medical expenses for the applicant. Otherwise, you will put the QUIT at risk. And so I help families that are applying for Medicaid make sure that they meet the income and asset limits. And this qualified income trust is a tool that we commonly use, and questions come up once we set it up. How do I fund it, and how do I properly spend from it? And so I hope that this video helps answer those questions. If it has, I ask that you like and share with others. And as always, you're welcome to schedule a free strategy session with me at eldermeeting.com. Thanks for joining me.